once again.
Hey YouTubers, it's me Gwentastic. I'm showing you my on-the-go cuticle pen right now. Everything in this cuticle pen is all natural. The oils are all natural. It heals the cracked cuticles around your nails, the dead skin. It adds moisture, it hydrates, it repairs. So check that out on my website, www.ghnshops.com. Today I will be using my silicone practice hand. I really love it. It's so realistic. And then I'm going to go in with the color Muted Berry by B&B. Of course, what you see me doing now is painting the nail with my gel polish. I'm going to take my cleanup brush and go around the cuticle area and clean up all of the gel polish off of the skin. Oh, let's pop this in here. These are the tips that I use from A-Press. And then I'm going back in with my white polish. I like to keep it clean and neat. And I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush again. Please forgive me if I don't stay on camera. I kind of got lost in my work, so I forgot to keep the hand inside the camera. So I like to use my striper brush to create clean lines while I'm working on my chevron nail. Don't worry about the pinky. I slid it out so that I would not paint the skin on the nails. And then we're going to jump right into my body butter. I hand make all of my body butters. They are for extremely dry skin. You can use it on regular skin as well. It adds moisture. It's great for eczema and psoriasis. They come in different scents. This is black raspberry vanilla scented. Check that out on ghnshops.com. And here I just adjusted that pinky nail, pushed it back in. And I'm going to go ahead and add my second coat of polish. Go ahead and push that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Push the like button as well. I appreciate you taking out the time to watch my video, and I hope it's very helpful to you. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and start making my sweater nail design. I'm doing my first line, and I'm going to go over it like 2 times to make sure it's thick enough. As you may notice in all of my videos, I use my pinky to balance my hand so that I can always get crisp, clean designs when I'm designing. See? That design came out cute. It's cute. And now I'm just going to pour my clear acrylic over it. Make sure you have clear acrylic. And then cure it in your LED light, UV light, whatever you have. And now I'm just going to go in and clean up my chevron and darken it up. I still see some see-through spots. Now I have my foil glue and I have my snowflake foils. This is an easy way to create the snowflakes. Just order some foil, people. I got this last year from A-Press. Man, it took me forever to get it. I got it after Christmas and I needed it for an order, so I get to use it this year, luckily. I'm just going to paint the foil glue right onto the chevron nail. And then of course you're going to have to let it dry in front of a fan. When it turns clear and it's not milky white anymore, then you're ready to place your foil. Now that that's all clear, it's time to place your foil on. Don't get any wrinkles in your foil. At least try not to. Apply pressure. And voila, finished product. But we're not done with this set just yet. We're going to add crystals. As you can see, I have 3 crystal boxes. I love my crystals. We have everything from Swarovski crystal to non-Swarovski crystals to AB crystals, I would say. Here I'm showing you my Zule nail glue. It's the best glue that I have ever used. Ignore my little bitty wax pencil. Hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. You're going to notice how sticky Zule's glue is, but their glue is not this sticky, guys. I've had my glue for a couple of months now, so yeah, it kind of gets very sticky, which is okay with me because it helps with the crystals staying a little bit longer. It actually came with some activator, but I ran out, so the girls got to do what the girls got to do. So I have a fan right beside me, and I'm going to blow it dry. But this glue holds. This is the best glue, hands down. Out of my 7 years of being a nail tech, being a certified cosmetologist, this glue has not failed me yet. I'm just adding some crystals to the pinky nail around the cuticle area. We've all heard the saying, diamonds are a girl's best friend, but I believe that crystals are a nail tech's best friend, and we have a million, billion, trillion nail techs these days, and I think we all can agree. We love some bling, we love some glitter, anything that sparkles and pops. You can turn an average boring set into a glam set just by adding something as simple as crystals. I will work on getting better at being in the camera, guys. I just get so lost in my work that I forget, but I'll put it back in the camera soon. Stop what you're doing. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe for me. I will do weekly videos. I'm probably going to get up to daily because I'm obsessed with nails and products. I'm going to make videos showing you how to create products, business tips, just a momopreneur life, period. I'm a mother of 3, a wife. I own Flourishing Health and Beauty, which is an all-natural cosmetic. Ooh, just admire those crystals real quick though. But an all-natural cosmetic company. And of course, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, so I do hair and nails. So check me out, check my website out. I have some great items. Now I'm going to add the matte top coat. This is one of my favorite matte top coats. I tried a couple of other matte top coats and it always left streaky lines, and some of them did not even matte. But this one is a press, and it is thebomb.com, honey. And no, I do not get paid to promote anyone's product. I just like these, and I want every beginner nail tech to have all the proper tools in the beginning. There it is. The best. I see a little ash on my mannequin's hand, so I'm going to go in with my on-the-go cuticle pen. Show you guys how to get rid of. This is how you use it. You go around the cuticle area, get rid of dry, cracked skin, and I promise you, you'll notice a difference within a couple of days. Get some of that oil off right there. Check my website out, www.ghnshops.com. It's in the description box below. Subscribe and like this video.